Yeah, it's bloody lovely.
Oh, there. Woo! Oh, what is that? Look, what is that?
Is there? Look.
Wow, that's a whale. That's a whale. That's a whale.
What a great start to our crossing.
This is Josh and I'm Erin. We recently started documenting our travels around the world, hoping it will inform, inspire and entertain. Subscribe to join the adventure.
So, this is our route from where we are now in Calvi, Corsica, and we are going pretty much, it's a completely dead straight line, look. We're going out of here and just straight shot northwest, about 90 miles, to mainland France. It should take us around 20-24 hours, I think, so we'll be arriving tomorrow morning / afternoon. Captain says let's go.
Let's go to France.
Let's go to France. Bon, allez. Straight out there, 90 miles, one straight line. Hopefully there'll be a bit of wind once we get out there. Oh, there where that water is. Yeah. It was right in front of the boat, pretty much.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what is that? Look, what is that? Is that a turtle? Over there? No, it can't be a turtle. There, did you see it there?
There.
What is that?
Something
Maybe
moving.
it's a shark.
Something moving slowly.
What is it? There. It might be a shark, yeah.
Oh, it's not. I don't know. It's got a bit of white on it.
Oh my god! It's a manta ray! That was amazing! So we first thought it was a dolphin, and then we couldn't figure out it was very relaxed and just wasn't the shape of a dolphin. It wasn't dipping up and diving back down again like a dolphin would. So then we thought it was maybe just a turtle. We just saw a fin kind of thing slapping on the surface. And then we thought, no, it can't be a turtle, it's too dark. It's a shark, it's got to be a shark. And so when we waited for a while, and it just kept, with a good 5-10 minutes in between each sighting, so it must have been following us, and I just saw something in the front of the boat. I came to the front, and then you could just see it. It must have been quite deep, but I saw it, I was like, that's a manta ray. It was a manta ray. I had absolutely no idea you got manta rays in the Med. Oh, I hope we see it again. I don't think I managed to get it on camera, but that is just, wow. What a great start to our crossing.
Wow, that's a whale. That's a whale.
there.
That's a whale.
Okay, so we need you to settle an argument on board. We've all just about agreed that this is a whale. But what kind of whale is what's up for debate? I'm saying sperm whale, Josh thinks it might be a fin whale, and Mum's not budging from the idea that it is something much, much smaller. So leave your thoughts in the comments below and help us figure this out. I am aware that this basically just looks like a dark line on the surface, so there isn't a huge amount to go on here, but work with me, it's all we've got.
That's a whale.
I'm so excited!
There, we've got dolphins on the starboard side. Got loads of dolphins.
Oh wow.
They'll come and play with the boat when they're close enough.
Yeah, look at that. Fantastic. Wow, right in front of the bar. Look at that. How are those dolphins, Aaron?
Woohoo! What a day to be alive! That was absolutely fantastic. We just looked on the charts and apparently this is the deepest part, well this is the deepest part of our crossing, so it's 2.6 kilometres? 2.6 kilometres deep here, which is obviously why there's so much life and everything, but that was fantastic. Literally the first sail of this summer, when I heard there were sperm whales in the Med, I wanted to see one, and that was just absolutely phenomenal. I was thinking, just before we saw all that, I was sat at the back and I was like, oh, it's been a bit of a boring crossing so far. Wow.
Yeah, it's bloody lovely. It's always special to see whales and dolphins. I mean, it's always special to see just dolphins, but to see a whale in the Mediterranean was incredible. So far, it's been a very exciting crossing. Hopefully we see something else. That sunset is phenomenal.
It's a beauty, isn't it? So Josh and I are taking the first watch tonight, so we're going to go, so it's about 8 o'clock now, is it? 8:30, and we're going to go until about midnight, 12:30, and it's Josh's first night sail, so I mean the daytime's been pretty great. I was just, you didn't even know where to look. There was so, like dolphins, and then whales, and then manta rays, and then more dolphins, and then more whales, and then more dolphins. It was just amazing. We're plodding on around 3 knots at the minute, which is quite nice.
Should be exciting, hopefully not eventful. But,
Hopefully not eventful.
Yeah, I'm always up for a bit of excitement.
Careful what you wish for. also just lost sight of Corsica, and we can't see France yet, which means once again we can't see any land at all. Just open ocean as far as the eye can see. I can't even see another boat. Very lonely out here. Well, what a crossing that turned out to be. Being out at sea with nothing and no one around, seeing rare and incredible sea life so close and wild is a feeling that never really gets old. No matter how many times it happens, it's always a butterflies in your belly, dancing around the cockpit kind of moment. Anyway, join us again next week as we wake up in France, only to jump on a train and leave for Monaco. We really hope you're enjoying following our travels, especially in a time when travelling is a tricky thing. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the like button to support us, and don't forget to comment below. We'll see you all next time. Bye!